How do patents impact a startup's ability to expand into adjacent markets? Well, patents provide exclusivity, allowing startups to go anywhere they want. So it enables a startup to go into an adjacent market with reduced competition. So if you properly claim your particular technology so that it's not targeted at a specific industry, you can certainly use that same set of claims now to go into a new industry. And you can do it yourself, or patented technology can be licensed to partners in the adjacent markets, and therefore it reduces your cost and your barrier to expand into the adjacent markets. A strong portfolio can deter competitors from entering the same adjacent markets, and therefore your company will be more attractive to partnerships or collaborators that you might need in that adjacent market because your particular product for that market is protected by patent law. In short, patents enable startups to adapt their technologies for different market needs while maintaining a strong protection. And because that enables the product to be differentiated, you can gain profitability, profit margins, and because of that, your overall company valuation is increased. So patents help a startup in expanding into adjacent markets.